Hi, this is Prasad Dasari, founder and CEO of L3 Group, a reputed firm in research of stock markets from last 3 decades. So today we'll discuss about what are the sectors you can bet on for another, say for the long-term investors I'm talking about, say 10 years or 20 years if you want to really think about investing. What are the two sectors are going to have the great future? That's what we will analyze today. So I will tell you a classic example. You might be knowing about gold rush, which has happened 18th, 19th centuries, where people are mining gold, and then a lot of people actually did not get the gold, but they lost their fortunes. So, but in that particular process, who got the benefit if you see once, the people not who are the gold miners, but people who supplied the shovels to dig the mines. So that is what exactly today we are going to talk about it. And today's gold mine is nothing but AI. And people are talking about AI. So many people like it's a boom in the world, and then everybody are after AI. And India is underperforming because of not having that creation. And that is the reason all other markets, if you see Taiwan as well as South Korea and even US, like the AI companies are leading the stock markets. And today those markets have performed very well, and Indian market is underperformed when compared to the all other world markets, especially from last 1 year. So in this scenario, I would like to talk about what are the sectors that actually are, what are the industries can get a lot of benefit out of this AI boom. Is nothing but shovels of AI, I can say. What are all the sectors? One is semiconductors. Automatically the semiconductors, chips and other hardware manufacturers are going to get lot of benefit out of AI, number one. And number two, data centers. So obviously this data center, without a data center and without a proper infrastructure, AI cannot work. Obviously data centers is one area where we can look at it. And for running data centers, we need a lot of infrastructure of power, cables, as well as you can also think about BESS, that battery energy storage systems. So when you take all these things, so this is the huge demand which is happening all over the world, and a lot of data centers are opening in India. These particular industries which supplies semiconductors as well as like battery energy storage systems, as well as cables, as well as power. So these are all the sectors are going to have a great future. That's why I compared this with a gold rush. Basically, like, yeah, what are the industries are going to get benefited out of AI is not real AI, but the companies which are going to enable AI to operate. So this is what is the first sector I'm talking about. So, and another sector is again one more sector which has got a lot of revolution. Previously we used to actually import lot of defense equipment. We are actually net importers of the defense equipment, and even now we are importing. But when you see the statistics from 2014, around 1940 crores that our exports are there. That means we used to export small defense equipment to the few countries. Now today if you take the same value in 2025-26, it is almost 38,000 crores, and we are supplying it to 80 countries. So previously we are importing all the defense equipment. Now India is in a position to actually export to 80 countries, and this is going to be huge. And recently I think Vietnam and few other countries are also interested to buy the defense equipment from us, and actually BrahMos missiles from us. So this is what exactly the shift which is taken place in the defense sector. And if you see another 10 years, 20 years horizon, yes, defense sector is one sector which you need to look into, where once all our companies are start exporting defense equipments, it's a huge opportunity that is available. So in a nutshell, if you want me to categorize two sectors who are going to outperform, say for the longer term, yeah, one is a infrastructure companies, as well as another one is defense sector. So these are the two sectors that you can look into, and you can actually look out for the companies which are doing great in these sectors, and choose your investments wisely in these stocks. Please contact us for any kind of advisory services. We are always happy to help you. Thank you.